my channel Craft with Kanisha and also press the notification bell icon so you will never miss our new update. Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel Craft with Kanisha, and today I have come up with a greeting card idea, that is napkin fold card. So here we go. For this card we need glue, scissors and paper. So first fold this paper into half. Now open it. Fold this part into half. Repeat the same on another side. Now open it. Now again fold it into half. Now open it. Now again fold this part into half. Now repeat the step again on another side. Now open it. Now you will get 16 small squares. Now take this edge to this middle point and fold it like a triangle. Repeat the step again on all the three sides. Now open it. Now fold the way I am showing. Now repeat the step again on all the sides. Now take this flap and fold it like this. Repeat the steps on all the sides. Now cut 20 small pieces smaller than this part and stick it. Now open it for sticking. Now fold it again. Now our DIY napkin fold card is ready. Friends, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज इस वीडियो को लाइक करना, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करना और सब्सक्राइब भी करना और घंटी को भी बजा देना। स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ, बाय बाय।